Hello everyone, today I will show you how to duplicate or copy a fillable text box on your fillable PDF from using Foxit PDF editor. Open your fillable PDF Foxit PDF editor, now click on this form option and here you will find this text filter option, click here and all of this text filter are ready for editing and select here select option. Now drag the mouse cursor selected text field. Now press right button for mouse cursor and select here copy. Now paste anywhere, press Ctrl V for your keyboard and see this. This two of this now copy. In this way you can copy as many as text box you want to select. Now select right button for mouse cursor, select copy and press Ctrl V and see this. All of this now copy and paste it. Yeah, this is. And finally select this file option, save or save as a fillable PDF form. Thank you for watching. Subscribe, like, share and comment.